Meet the Makey Makey. You first get your Makey Makey, take it out of the box, lift up the lid. You see then it comes with some instructions and some stickers, a USB cable, and the Makey Makey. Notice the USB port. Plug one end into the Makey Makey. Then you're going to utilize your alligator clips and start to connect them into the various inputs on the front of the Makey Makey. If you turn the Makey Makey over, you have other inputs that you can play with using the white wires. Now take your USB port and plug it into USB input onto a device. You can connect the clips to things like a banana to make a spaceboard. You can use Play-Doh as an input. You could even use graphite as the input. And many, many other things can be found at makeymakey.com. Lots of other ideas. When you're all done, unplug all your cables, unplug the USB from the Makey Makey, put it back in its bag, put everything back into the box, and hopefully you'll have some ideas on how to transform learning with the Makey Makey. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and follow us by clicking on the links below in the description.